7 years. 7 seals. 7 trumpets. The world begins to bleed. The sky, a judgment screaming like a war drum cry. The riders tearing through the night, pale horse rising, no more light. Broken nations fall to fire, every heartbeat fueled by liar. The deceiver wearing a crown of steel, beast of the end with the mark so real. This is the fallout, this is the breakdown, this is the moment the whole world drowns. 7 years to ashes, the tribulation falls like rain. Angels cry with thunder as the world screams out in pain. Darkness on the nations, fire swallowing the sky. Judgment rising, no place left to hide. Trumpets burning through the veil, stars collapsing like they failed. Locust armies made of nightmares, tearing at the soul with 1,000 snares. Oceans boiling in their graves, kings and killers cannot be saved. Every empire built on sand crushes beneath the holy hand. You can't run, you can't pray it away. When the Lamb breaks the seals, there's a price to pay. 7 years to ashes, revelations in the flame. Every sin uncovered as the world is judged by name. Lightning splits creation, blood and fire flood the night. Tribulation rising, this is the final fight. Mark of the beast, mark of the damned. Fall to your knees, you'll never understand. No peace, no mercy, no hiding place. The sky splits open, a rider roars with blazing eyes. The king returning, a firestorm across the skies. Hey! Seven years to ashes, the final trumpet shakes the ground.